Hey guys, in this video, we're going to revert back to MIUI on a Mi 11X. So this is my Mi 11X. It is running Pixel Experience. If you want to know how to do it, there will be a link in the description below on how to do it. Click on that. Anyways, so we have to download a couple of softwares. Let's jump on our PC. So this is my PC. So the first thing that you have to do is go to your browser, type in Xiaomi firmware updater, link of it will be in the description, and download the software. It is full of ads, just like MIUI was or still is. Scroll to downloads. Anyways, let's just go to MIUI and just hit on MIUI. There will be a search box here. Dang it. Ads and all. Okay, so here's your search box. Let's type in Mi 11X. You will get two files for recovery as well as Fastboot. Dang it. So yeah, so many ads. Anyways, just go to the Fastboot one, click on download. Now here, scroll down. So this is the first one. Don't download this. This is the recovery file. I had already downloaded it and I was just wondering why was it not working. The second one is a Fastboot one, 4.2 gigs in size, and the extension is .tgz. So click on it, full ROM. After you've downloaded it, the second thing that you want to download is MiFlash setup. So this link will also be in the description. It's a 47 megabyte file. Download it up. After all that is done, let's just minimize this. I have pasted everything in a single folder. So this is what you will get. If you extract it, you'll get this, and when you extract it, you'll get this. Also, just install MiFlash setup._eng, which you just downloaded. After you've done that, just go to your start menu and search for the flash tool. So that's Xiaomi MiFlash. Also, just don't type in MiFlash tool on Google and download it from there. It does not work properly. Okay, yes. So the first thing that you want to do is go to your phone. So on your phone, you have to go to Fastboot mode. To do that, just turn off your device. It's turned off. Now to go to Fastboot mode, hold volume down and power button at the same time. So in a few seconds, you'll get the Fastboot logo. As you can see, connect your phone to your PC. So this is the cable that I got in the box. I'll use that only. I just hate this case. On the PC, if you have the software that's MiFlash open, just click on refresh and you'll get your device. Click on select and browse to the folder where you have extracted the files. Anyways, click on OK. That's it. Let's just zoom it up. Okay, you have three options here: clean all, save user data, clean all, and lock. Don't check this. Why would you lock your phone? Clean all. Just hit on flash and it says anti-rollback check error. So to remove that, first of all, let's just close this software. Where the folder is, open that up, tap on flash all, right click, edit, and remove these from these double colon to the end. Just remove this, save it, open up the software again. So where's the software? Opening it up again and hitting on refresh, and let's select the folder again. That's it. Click on flash. Oh no. Select clean all and then click on flash. Okay, I got an error. Let's just fix it. Okay, I just changed my folder and that's it. Click on refresh and that's that. I'll hit flash. Now the flashing process begins. It takes some time, like 5 to 7 minutes, depending upon your PC. So grab a cup of coffee and we'll be back. And by the power of video editing, I'll speed this up. As you can see, the result is success. Moving back to the phone, Mi logo appeared, and in a few seconds, MIUI will be booted. Now a couple of things why you should stick with MIUI. The cameras. I know Gcam takes better photos, but not in all cases. MiCam takes better photos in those cases. Second is the game turbo mode. Then the charging. Custom ROMs do not charge as fast as MIUI does. Also, the biggest one, Dolby Atmos. The speakers on MIUI sound very good. And yes, there are a couple of workarounds for this, but they are not as good as MIUI. So there's that. Let it boot. As you can see, it has booted. You got the MIUI 12.5 logo. That's it. You can just go ahead and set it up as usual. So this was pretty easy and this was quick. So like this video, share it with your friends so that they also know how to flash, how to revert back to MIUI. Comment for any queries, and since you're commenting, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos that I post. That's it for this video. I'll catch you in the next one.